We've taken a kebab cooker and we're cooking our Murray cod on a vertical spit. To me, we're trying to elevate the standard of fish in Australia and trying to show the world that there's a greater standard that you can achieve. So really the inspiration behind charcoal fish has come from the good old-fashioned chook shop. So the chicken shop that I grew up with, you probably grew up with, and we found ourselves during lockdown taking the kids there on a Thursday when we'd given up on what to cook them. And it just gave us that option that wasn't junk food and it wasn't health food. It was just that really yummy dinner that ticked a lot of boxes. What charcoal fish is a method that we've tested over and over and over with a fish over and over. The efforts that Akuna have put into the science behind the fish to make sure that the process and the sustainability and ethics behind that fish are all in line with our values. And what that allows us to do is cook 95% of this Murray cod as well. On the menu now we've got wings that are cut from the head of the fish. So you've got the two collars, so they play the role of the chicken wing. You've got a rotisserie Murray cod, which plays the role of the rotisserie chicken. And then we make a gravy out of all the bones and the head and the trimmings from the fish itself, and then turn it into a very satiny, dark, rich, almost like a chicken gravy. I think when you walk in the door at Charcoal Fish, firstly it's a roller door and hopefully it'll be up. But once you get in, you're presented with a plethora of salads. And just adjacent to where those salad and vegetable displays are, we put a lot of the raw produce out just by the entrance. So you can see the beautiful organic zucchinis and squash and tomatoes and cabbages that we get from a number of different growers, not only here in New South Wales, but from around the country. My story with food really began when I was 15. It was a couple of days before my 16th birthday and I started my professional apprenticeship, and I took a job at Glass Brasserie at the Hilton Hotel, which was an intense experience for a 17-year-old. And then from there I was really spoiled that I got to work with some incredible chefs like Peter Doyle, Fish Face with Stephen Hodges, and then even getting to travel overseas and work with Heston Blumenthal at the Fat Duck. And the best part, I got to meet my wife. So the two of us, our passion for food kind of combined. And then it's only recently that we've now opened Charcoal Fish down at Rose Bay. It was really exciting for us that this particular site came up because it used to be Grandfather's Moustache, which has got a 30-year history of, feeding everybody their birthday parties growing up in Rose Bay. So there seems to be these warm fuzzies that people get when they come back into the space, and especially in 2021 when we all needed a little bit of a cuddle coming out of lockdown. My agenda for this business is to elevate the standard of fish, period.